Namaste, this is Adiva and welcome to this deep breathing meditation. Deep breathing is also called belly breathing, diaphragmatic breathing, or yogic breathing. Deep breathing is a mindful technique which shifts our attention from a busy mind into a quiet mind. This meditation is designed to reduce stress, anxiety, and make you feel relaxed. Also, it reduces stress arise before some important work like public speaking, presentation, or meeting. This meditation is also useful if you want to reset your body and mind anytime during a day. When you breathe deep and slow, this is the language that body understands. It says, I am safe and calm. I can perform all the functions that I need to do. This feeling of safety and relaxation goes as deep as our DNA. Now, sit down and close your eyes. Connect with the breathing. When the mind wanders and thought comes, simply bring the focus back to the breathing without any judgment. When you inhale, your belly should be out, and when you exhale, the belly should go in. With every breath, inhale peace and exhale stress. So let's start. Long and slow breathing. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and out. One more time. Breathe in and out. Now try to make exhale little longer than inhale. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and slowly out. Last time. Breathe in and out. Feel the changes that you experience after this exercise. Deep breathing activates the parasympathetic nervous system, which sends a signal to your brain that you are safe and calm. By consciously putting awareness on breathing, the health benefits are numerous. You feel refreshed and rejuvenated, ready to take further tasks. Slowly open your eyes and connect with the outer world. Enjoy this feeling of relaxation. Come back to this meditation when you need to calm your mind or simply reset your own system for the rest of the day. Namaste.